Hi, today we are going to see the recruitment in ONGC for apprentice, which includes the lab assistant. You can find this in the website ongcapprentices.ongc.co.in. The apprentice means simply a training program. We can apply or read the notification by clicking the advertisement tab here. A PDF document will open. I am enlarging this one. You see, this is the advertisement given in the website, the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. This is the advertisement number, and the last date for the receipt of application is 17th August 2020. The Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited is the India's flagship energy major and a Maharatna Central Public Sector enterprise engaged in exploration and production of oil and gas in India and abroad. So the applications are invited from the following for the engagements of apprentices under Apprentices Act 1961. See, the chemical plant laboratory assistant is given in several areas. In Dehradun there are 20 vacancies. A candidate is to choose and can apply for one trade at one work center or location only. You have to apply for only one work center or location. In Delhi there is no laboratory assistant chemical plant. There are so many locations all over the India is given over here. You can find this in Goa, and you can also see in Vadodara. You can find wherever you like in only one workplace or location you have to apply. These are the places they have given. I am giving the important points. Before applying, please read the instructions more carefully. The age criteria is minimum 18 years and maximum of 24 years. That is, applicant should born between 17th August 1996 and 17th August 2002. There is also the concession relaxation for 5 years for SC and ST candidates and 3 years for OBC candidates, and PW person with disability candidates up to 10 years. See, these are the qualification eligibility criteria for the chemical plant lab assistant. The BSc with physics, chemistry or maths or physics, chemistry, biology can apply, or ITI in lab assistant chemical plant trade can also apply. The apprentices are eligible for monthly stipend as per Apprentices Act 1961. The trainee is not eligible for TA, D or boarding or lodging expenses incurred during the period of training. And ONGC will not provide any financial assistance towards the transportation also. The selections for engagement of apprentices would be based on the basis of marks obtained in the qualifying examination, and merit will be drawn. In case of similar number in merit, a person with higher age would be considered. These are some of the important conditions given over here. You can read it more carefully. The requirement before filling online application: you have to visit this website and fill the application form. After that, you will be generated a application number. You have to give it in the application form. After successful registration, a registration number will be generated, and you have to mention the number while applying apprentices position in ONGC website. That is this website. Paper based applications will not be accepted. You can start applying from 29/7/2020 to 17/8/2020 by 18 hours. There are two steps in registration process, the part 1 and part 2. In part 1, you have to fill his or her basic details and one password. After that, you have to write the registration number again to log in to the system. Remember the registration and password for future. In part 2, you have to upload the photograph and signature and furnish the educational qualification, experience, etc. The verification of original documents shall done prior to the joining on a specific date. Have to give a date. A registration form will be generated once the candidate is selected. If you are selected, a registration form will be given. A printout of the same may be taken from the website and brought during the document verification. The joining date at specific work center shall occur as soon as the pandemic of COVID situation improves. These are some of the important dates. The last date is 17th August. The result will be declared on 24th August, and confirmation details from candidates will be from 1st September 2020. For any query, you can contact this email ID, that is ongc_skilldeb@ongc.co.in. I am giving the PDF in the description box. You can find it and read it carefully and apply. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get notified. Have a good day.